this video, I will explain how you can start Advanced Bioinformatician course on BioCode. This course contains all the bases of bioinformatics analysis skills. It also covers the biological programming languages, for instance, Python, R, BioPython. So first we will scroll down and click on the Start Course button. Here on the left side, you can see the lesson list. It contains all the lessons of this course. For example, bioinformatics databases, 3D structure prediction, genomics tools, and these are the programming languages. And here you can see evaluation. It contains MCQs for this course. And in each lesson, you can see there's a section for the exercise as well. You can click on any lesson you want to learn and watch its video. You can also pause the video any way you want. And under the video you will see two attachments. One is the transcriptions for the video and the other one is the PowerPoint presentation on that lesson. And if you have to ask any question, you can go to the browse Q&A section and write your question here and then click on submit my question.